Hi, I'm Dr. Hussein Musa.
Hi, I'm Dr. Adatone Musa.
I'm a board-certified anesthesiologist, pain doctor, and addiction medicine specialist.
I'm a board-certified neurologist and epileptologist.
And welcome to Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs.
Today we're going to continue our discussion on purpose and why we doctor, why we help people that are hurting.
Yes, and we talked about how doctors often communicate with patients, and because of our extensive training and our desire to always be very accurate and factual, we may inadvertently come across as extremely negative to patients. And we also talked how, as physicians, we've both experienced the miraculous healing power of Christ. We've experienced it, we've seen it. So for us, well, we have something special. We have the truth. We know that we're healed because of Christ. We know that Christ can heal all wounds. He's taken up all of our infirmities. So for us as physicians and just ministers of the word, because of our profession, we know that God can heal. We know that the King heals. And we love to share that level of faith with patients, one, by praying with patients, but by two, by our positive outlook, by our belief that regardless of how you come into our office, we know that God can do a miracle. We know that the medications aren't the final word. We know that our diagnosis is not the final word.
Yeah, the final word is Jesus.
Amen.
The Word made flesh. And we had kind of touched on the difference between truth and facts. You want to delve into that?
Yeah, so the facts are what your condition is. The
Yeah.
fact is you may have diabetes, you may have a broken arm, you may have some depression, you may have a genetic disorder, but the truth is that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, that God has taken up all of our infirmities, that we are healed by His word.
Amen. That we're healed by faith. And I think that a lot of that is missing, this grabbing onto the truth rather than agreeing with, all of this information that might be overwhelming you as a patient. Not to say that we deny facts, right? They're there.
Yes.
But we have authority in Jesus Christ to completely change our mindset so that we embrace hope and we embrace healing and we embrace the truth.
Yes. Now, the truth, when you hold on to the truth, it changes your perspective on life. It changes your perspective on treatment. You may see a patient, and other doctors have said, there's nothing more than we can do. There's nothing more we can do. Or this is hopeless. Or you've tried all these medications. This is just the way things are.
Yeah.
Now, that's not something that I ever accept. Now, it doesn't mean that the medications suddenly start working because I'm the one giving it. That's not the truth. It's just my outlook. It's my belief that God can make you well, and that if you believe that, you keep going, that God can do a miracle. And it's also important to just have that mindset that I will get better. I will just live. That will to live, that will to see improvement. It makes a difference in how you experience your life. It makes a difference in how you experience your illness, because the enemy wants to kill, steal, and destroy every little bit of joy that you have. You can suffer from an illness or be held by illness, but still have the joy of the Lord. And that joy is your strength.
Amen. Amen to that. I don't even know how much more I can add. I mean, you're just flowing. I think it's just revolutionary. A lot of patients who come to our clinic are very, very surprised by our outlook.
Yes.
But you start to see a change and a renewal of the mind, and really a lot of what people experience when they're sick, it has to do with a lot of warfare in the mind. The devil wants you to agree with illness, and so we'll talk about warfare in the next episode and how that wraps into our purpose.
Yes, that's all the time we have on Healing Talks with Kingdom Docs. Please visit us at kingdomdocs.com.
Bye-bye.